Hey traders, welcome to the daily recap for March 14th, 2023. Let's take a look at what we did today. So, another great day for the ideas. Market was, gave us a nice amount of range today, which is fantastic. Regional banks, also some fantastic range there. Let's take a look at the equity side first. So, there were some pretty badass trades on these, which we had WAL short there. Basically, we grabbed it right here on the idea, received $40. And then we got that huge unwind. So 10-point trade and change, which was nice. We did this ambi long from the 1450 level on that flag break. Got a nice little push there for 7 points. Pretty good on that idea as well. CMA short idea for 5.5 points on that one. Moderna long for 4 points. Tesla long for 4.5 points this morning. Meta long for 3 points, and we flipped into some calls on the roll idea there. So pretty solid ideas there. Airbnb short 1 point on that idea intraday on this range break. Actually could have held it for a little bit more, but it did come back to the entries. So that was the end of that one. What else did we do? There's a couple other things. We did do the FRC for 2 points on the short side. PA&W, that went up 50 cents, not much. EMPH long for 1 point, nothing really crazy there. I'm trying to find some stuff that didn't work. I think we were 100% hit rate on the equity side. So 100% hit rate on the equity side. SPX had 100% hit rate as well, which was pretty kick-ass. We had a couple trades here. So we had the 38.75 put idea that we did a credit debit spread. It's a debit spread. We put it on as a credit, waiting for the 38.65s to be worth more. That ended up being a 3,200% trade. SPX 3880 calls end of the day 126%. Should have held that idea because it did go up like 400%. We wasn't expecting that much of a rip on the SPY, of course. We also did some calls this morning, 39.45s. That was about 15%. The SPX call side was pretty garbage today, in my opinion. We also did what else did we do on the SPX? 3,900 calls. That was a 43% trade. And that's it on the SPX. So pretty good hit rate there, 100%. And then the option side, a little bit lower than the other two, obviously not 100%. But we did have SHW 60 calls overnight. Those were 100% trade. CRM Lotto 190 call idea, 200% on that. Did do the AMD 88 calls. That ended up being a 165% trade. XOM long idea for 40%. NVIDIA long the 245 calls for 78%. BA 215 call long idea for 200%. Microsoft long idea for about 15% on that. Baidu 140 call long idea. That ended up being 3.2 minus, I didn't do the math, 45% on that one. Meta 200 calls ended up being a 30% trade. The Meta 195s ended up being a 136% trade. Google 97 calls, 14% on those. ABBV 155 calls fail. GNS 5 calls fail. What else? AVGO, the 645 calls, 65% on that. And I believe that was it. Yeah, so pretty decent day on the option side as well. Oh, FRC, the 20 calls for 74%. So pretty decent day on the option side as well. Not obviously 100% hit rate like the other two, but really good. Anyways, guys, that's it. If you guys want to come trade with us, you can certainly do so. Go to SpartanTrading.com. You can sign up there. Any questions, feel free to reach out. I love this type of a market where you get a lot of this volatility. This is exactly what we look for day trading. So fantastic. If you want to pop into our swing trading or investment ideas chat, you can certainly check those out as well for longer term ideas. Those have been doing quite well. We did have a 1,100% trade on the swing side yesterday. That was closed out, so that was pretty badass as well. Anyways, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, and I'll talk to you later.